Conclusion. In bridging modern astrophysics and Lurianic Kabbalah, we find a shared narrative of concealment yielding creation. The idea that our universe resides in a spinning black hole in a larger cosmos mirrors the Kabbalistic notion that our reality exists in the void within the infinite. Both propose that we call the beginning, Big Bang, or let there be light, was in fact a point of emergence from a prior hidden realm. Whether that realm is the parent universe or the infinite Ein Sof. Rotation adds a fascinating twist to this parallel. The spin handed down from the larger context provides a tangible, physical analogy to the spiritual concept of an initial vector or plan handed down from the Creator. The dynamics of black holes, spin, accretion, mergers enrich the metaphor. They show how immense concentration and darkness can paradoxically give rise to light, energy, and new worlds, much as the darkest act of divine concealment gave rise to the light of creation. This exploration is admittedly speculative. Physicists are far from consensus of black hole cosmology, and mystics were not describing literal physics. However, it demonstrates how structural parallels can inspire dialogue. As Wolfson suggested, science and mysticism are both seeking unity, and each can offer metaphors to each other. The mystic can look at a rotating galaxy and see an allegory of the hidden God turning the wheel of creation. The physicists can look at Tzimtzum and see a bold early attempt to grapple with infinity as voids and the birth of time. Even a hint of the multiverse idea can couched in spiritual terms. Both stand in awe of a before that is inscrutable. What came before the Big Bang, perhaps among the universe's collapse? What was before creation? The infinite performing self-contraction. In both, we end up peering at an event horizon of knowledge, beyond which lies mystery. In closing, the convergence of these ideas can be deeply inspiring. It suggests that the cosmos might be governed by patterns that are as much metaphysical as physical, that the rotational dances of galaxies, the silent songs of black holes, and the ancient wisdom of mystics are all telling us the same story. From the deepest hidden place, creativity flows. As the Kabbalists would say, Yesh Me'ayin, being comes from nothingness. And as some astrophysicists now propose, our something comes from within a nothing called a black hole. Different language, same poetry. The universe, it turns out, may be a concealed divine light spinning out stars. And every black hole might be a portal of creation in disguise. Such a perspective enriches our appreciation of both the physical universe and the spiritual narratives humans have used to understand its existence.